Welcome to the Forklift Operator Certification Program. Let's get you certified for a successful career in industrial operations. This program empowers you in four essential ways. You'll master safety standards by learning OSHA-compliant procedures and workplace protocols. You'll develop technical skills through hands-on equipment training. You'll earn an industry-recognized certification that advances your career. And you'll boost your employability with opportunities in warehousing, logistics, and manufacturing. A certified forklift operator is responsible for safely and efficiently moving materials in industrial settings while ensuring regulatory compliance. Your core responsibilities include operating equipment safely, loading and unloading trucks, conducting pre-operation inspections, following OSHA standards, maintaining accurate records, and reporting equipment malfunctions. Certification is governed by the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA. Eligibility requires being at least 18 years old, having a valid ID and high school diploma, demonstrating physical capability, and having no substance abuse violations. Training combines classroom instruction, hands-on practice, written examinations, and performance evaluations. The certification exam features 50 questions completed over 2.5 hours, with a 75% pass rate required. You'll complete written tests on safety and operations, plus practical skills assessments. The exam uses multiple choice and scenario-based questions, provides immediate feedback, and includes one free retake within 30 days. Time management is crucial. You'll have 90 minutes for the written exam and 45 minutes for practical skills. The scoring system requires 75%, or 38 correct answers out of 50 to pass. The written portion counts for 70% of your grade, while practical skills account for 30%. The exam covers 8 key domains. High priority areas include safety regulations and OSHA standards at 25%, equipment operation at 20%, and load handling at 15%. Medium priority topics cover inspections at 12%, navigation at 10%, and maintenance at 8%. Lower priority areas include emergency response and documentation. You'll master 10 essential skills: equipment familiarization, load assessment, safe maneuvering, hazard recognition, stacking procedures, communication, equipment inspection, traffic awareness, emergency response, and documentation. Each skill is critical for safe, professional operations. Let's apply your knowledge. You're operating a forklift when your load begins to shift. What's your first action? The correct answer is B. Stop immediately and lower the load to ground level. This is essential because stopping prevents worsening conditions and lowering eliminates height hazards. After securing the load, you can reassess, resecure, and proceed safely. Moving with an unstable load dramatically increases accident risks. Certified operators work in diverse settings: manufacturing facilities with production floors, warehouses with high-rack storage systems, shipping docks coordinating freight schedules, and construction sites handling materials in changing conditions. Understanding critical standards is mandatory. OSHA requirements include the 29 CFR 1910-178 standard, training mandates, and annual evaluations. Safety protocols encompass daily inspections, speed limits, load capacity guidelines, pedestrian awareness, protective equipment, and emergency procedures. Professional excellence requires more than technical ability. You'll develop effective communication with supervisors and team members, collaborative skills for smooth operations, problem-solving capabilities, attention to detail and documentation, and adaptability to changing priorities. Professional conduct is non-negotiable. Core principles include safety first, honesty in reporting, respect for property, confidentiality, and accountability. You must maintain certification, report fit for duty, follow policies, treat colleagues respectfully, refuse unsafe equipment, and report violations immediately. Maximize success with proven strategies. Individual methods include daily review of materials, practice tests, instructional videos, flashcards, and detailed notes. Group methods involve study teams, peer teaching, scenario discussions, and supervised hands-on practice. Follow the 6-week timeline: weeks 1 and 2 for theory and safety, weeks 3 and 4 for equipment training, week 5 for practice and review, and week 6 for your certification exam. Certification renewal occurs every 3 years through refresher training, reassessment exams, medical clearance updates, and maintaining clean safety records. Continuing education includes advanced techniques, regulation updates, hazardous materials handling, supervisor training, and emergency response. Lifelong learning keeps you current with industry standards. Let's review the essentials. Minimum age, 18 years. Exam questions, 50. Passing score, 75%. Duration, 2.5 hours. Recertification every 3 years. OSHA compliance, 100%. Remember the 5 success factors. Study diligently, practice consistently, focus intently, prepare thoroughly, and succeed confidently. Your path to a safer, more successful career starts here. Pass your forklift certification exam. Get free practice tests from Practice Test Geeks. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code to access free practice materials. Prepare for success today.